Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Jeep Liberty embodies freedom, combining rugged elegance with state-of-the-art technology. Its bold exterior boasts a sculpted hood, angular LED headlights, and a 7-slot grille, asserting its off-road heritage. Flared wheel arches and 20-inch alloy wheels enhance its robust stance. A panoramic sunroof adds sophistication, inviting you to embrace nature. Pros: striking design, off-road capability. Cons: conservative rear styling. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of comfort and innovation. Soft touch materials, contrast stitching, and ambient lighting elevate the atmosphere. The dashboard features a 12.5-inch touchscreen with seamless infotainment integration. Ventilated leather seats and ample legroom ensure long journeys remain pleasurable. Advantages: user-friendly interface, luxurious details. Disadvantages: limited rear cargo space. Performance thrives with a turbocharged 2.0L engine delivering 270 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it offers smooth acceleration and agile handling. Off-road mode and adaptive suspension conquer diverse terrains effortlessly. Pros: exceptional off-road prowess. Cons: average highway fuel efficiency. Priced at $35,000, it appeals to adventure-loving millennials and active seniors. Competing with the Ford Bronco and Toyota RAV4, it stands out with Jeep's legendary off-road DNA. The Liberty achieves a top speed of 120 miles per hour with a confident and engaging driving experience. Comfort is paramount, with ergonomic seats, dual-zone climate control, and a quiet cabin. Safety tech like adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring adds peace of mind. Exterior highlights include rugged skid plates and bold color options, offering personalization. In summary, the 2025 Jeep Liberty is ideal for explorers seeking luxury and capability. Compared to predecessors, it refines its adventurous spirit while embracing modernity. A perfect blend of rugged and refined, it's a standout in its class.